If you are involved in a motor vehicle crash, a motorcycle crash, or perhaps what we call a premises liability, where you fall on another's property, or perhaps you are attacked by a dog on another person's property. If you have your cell phone with you, it's very important to document the area, document the scene. In a crash, if you can, document by taking photographs of the vehicles, motorcycle rest position, vehicle rest position, as well as photographs of the damage to the vehicles. Also, it's important if you can take pictures of debris, skid marks. That would very much help your case. Another important thing to do at the scene of the crash is get the names of any witnesses, their phone numbers. If you can even record a brief description from them, what they witnessed, that is critical. Oftentimes we see in crashes that our clients say that there were 4 or 5 people who were at the scene who may have witnessed the crash, but yet when we get the traffic crash report, there are no witnesses on there. And if it's our client's word versus the other drivers, the insured's word, a lot of times it's a toss-up. Having that independent or neutral witness is very important, because that can be what takes it to persuade the insurance company that they have liability. Because if it's just a back and forth between the parties, oftentimes we end up in litigation. So by having your cell phone available and documenting these things, it can help make your case much stronger. Another thing to do at the scene of a crash is police officers typically are going to ask you if you are injured. If you're uncertain, tell the officer you're uncertain, because oftentimes injuries may manifest themselves down the road, be it a day or two, or perhaps a week or even longer, and the police officer may indicate in the report, if you say no injuries, it's going to have a code 1, which the insurance company's attorney will use that in a deposition, will use that in trial to try and impeach you, indicating that at the scene you told the police officer you were not injured. So it's very important to make sure that you preserve that when you speak with the police officer. Also, any statements you give will be contained in the police report, so make sure you give brief, pertinent information to the police officer. And again, keep in mind that a lot of times we see that the information the police officer takes down is inaccurate or incorrect.